Hello guys, in this video I will show you a way to search multiple social media accounts by just typing username. I will use a tool called Sherlock. This tool searches for username in multiple social media platforms. It searches up to more than 40 social websites. I will tell you how to install it. First, I will show you a teaser of the tool and how it works. Before showing the teaser, you should download Linux. If you don't have Linux OS, you can download it and use it like an app in any OS. I have already created a video on how to install it. You can see the video up here. I will run the tool. I will give a username. Don't worry about the commands. I will show you how to install it and run the commands. Now it's searching, so it has found most of the website. Cache me. It's going on alphabetical order. It is discovering more websites. Now I will go to a link. See here I got GitHub. I will open the link. It has been loading. See, this guy is Mark. And I will show you how to install it and run it. This is my Kali mission. Now I will go to Firefox and type GitHub Sherlock. Here, this is the project. Don't worry if you don't get it. I will give the link in the description. Here, I will copy the code, or you can also download the zip file. After downloading the zip file, you should extract it. In order to download it, we have to write git clone and copy it. It's cloning. Wait for some time, it will download. Here we got that, and we will just navigate to Sherlock ls. See, we have the Sherlock and requirements. Now we will open it in the file manager. Here we got the Sherlock and Sherlock. These are the resources. Before executing it, we have to see the requirements. Here, these are all the requirements that should be downloaded. Don't worry, I will tell you how. To download the requirements, I will type a command python 3 -m pip install -r requirements.txt. You can also find this command in the link I have given you. Scroll down there, you'll get the installation page. Here you can also run the commands in the virtual environment. Now I will click enter. This will download all the requirements. As I have already downloaded it, it was fast. Now to run Sherlock, we will type python 3 Sherlock. See, we should type a command -h to list how to use Sherlock. It will show you how to use it. Here in the usage, it will show you the commands, how to use it, and optional arguments. The main argument is the dash dash timeout that we will use now. Now I will execute Sherlock by typing Python 3 Sherlock and my username. You can also enter multiple usernames. I will keep a timeout for this. When the Sherlock searches for the username for a specific website for more than the given seconds, I will keep it as 5. It will get out of it and will search the another website. Now it has been running. It's checking username. It has been on. It will search more than 45 websites. So it has found the Cash Me and Freelancer and Instagram. I will open my Instagram account for now. Open link. See, it's opening Instagram account. It's loading. See, I got my user account. I found it. I will see the, so it has found five accounts of different websites of same username. So we successfully found it. You can also download Sherlock in Windows. The installation process is already given in the link I gave you. Please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel Cyber Security for more updates on cybersecurity.